Our promise is cost effectiveness, reliability, lowest cost per component. In India, we have supplied the biggest of the tube laser cutting machine, which will go up to 350 mm diameter itself. I am Sajitesh from AdMSolutions. When I have interacted with many of the industrial owners across India, most of the sheet metal fabricator owners has expressed their interest to buy a CNC laser cutting machine. I am in a place where God's own country, and it is southern part of Kerala, where to have a laser cutting machine is a dream come true all the time. And when it comes to sheet and tube combo machine, this is again a phenomenal achievement. Now I am going to introduce you few of the features of our laser cutting machine, which has very recently installed in God's own country. The company name is Sabarigiri Industries. The main feature is this is completely sheet cutting area. We can cut all kind of sheets like MS, SS, GI, aluminium, copper, titanium, all kind of material it can be cut. This we can provide in a separate cabinet so that we can move all around. And this is very sturdy. It doesn't hit or give any hurdle to the operator when he is moving around or while he is handling the sheets or tubes. You can see this, very sturdy, and it has speeds so that we can move around wherever we wanted to have. This is tube portion of the machine. This will able to cut from 18 mm to 220 mm tubes. Maybe it can be round, it can be hexagonal, square, rectangle, C-channel, also L-angle, any kind of profile you will able to cut. Roller casters helps the operator to handle the sheet very easily to maneuver over the laser cutting machine. These fins are specifically annealed so that the life of the fins will go pretty high all the time. This is an integrated electrical cabinet with AC inbuilt so that the temperature is always maintained well. This is also integrated with the CNC laser source, which is very sturdy, which can be definitely movable according to the convenience of the customer. Here we can see the chiller. This will provide the temperature maintenance for the CNC laser source as well as the cutting head. When it comes to CNC laser source, it is handling more than 2200 degrees Celsius. So this chiller will be able to handle the source as well as cutting head to remain the temperature what it demands. It is very sturdy, very compact, very reliable. My request to you all is kindly share this video to your friends as well in your business circle so that this can be useful for one of them for sure. See you in next video. Thank you very much.